In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash at once in Notion. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or freeing up some digital space, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. To start off, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where you manage your wikis, documents, and projects. Get comfortable with this space, as it's essentially your control panel where all the magic happens. Now, if you aren't already logged into Notion, go ahead and click on Log In. You will usually find this option on the top right corner of the Notion homepage. Just enter your credentials, and you'll be transported to your Notion workspace. Once you're logged in, navigate straight to the Notion home. This is essentially your dashboard, the central hub for everything you're working on. Take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout. If it's been a while since your last visit, this helps streamline your tasks and improve productivity in the long run. Now, the mission at hand. Deleting trash. Look for the trash option, which should be available on your sidebar or menu. Click on it, and you'll see all the items you've previously deleted. It's like your workspace's recycling bin, capturing all the items you might decide you don't need anymore, but aren't quite committed to losing forever. Here's an important note. Be sure to review what's in there. Sometimes gems slip through the cracks or are mistakenly classified as trash. This is your last chance to salvage anything that might still hold value. Once you're certain about what you want gone for good, it's now time to proceed. When you're ready, find the Delete button. This is the final step in permanently removing all those items from the trash. By hitting this button, you're effectively cleaning up your workspace, creating more room for new projects, and streamlining your overall workflow. Before you jump to the sticker, take a moment. Deciding to delete is a significant action, as these files or documents can't be retrieved once they're gone. So double-check that everything in your trash is indeed no longer needed. And that's it. In just a few effortless steps, you've managed to clean out the digital clutter in your Notion workspace. Regularly managing your workspace in this way keeps things organized and efficient, ensuring you have a streamlined environment to grow your ideas and projects. Keep these tips handy as you continue working in Notion to maintain a tidy and productive workspace. Thank you for following along with this quick tutorial. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital organization skills. Happy organizing!